Hey loves, today I'm preparing to do my very first ACV rinse on my 16-month-old locks to get rid of any product buildup that's accumulated over time. It's going on 11 weeks since my last retwist and my hair really needs some TLC. This was not intentional, but this is the longest by far that I've ever waited between having a retwist done. And this will be, and I guarantee you this will be my last time that I wait this long. I purchased this inflatable sink off of Amazon sometime last year, and I'll link it in the description box for those who'd like to go check it out. I've recruited my sister Melinda to help me since neither one of us have ever done one of these before. We are not professionals, and for some part of the time, neither one of us knew what was supposed to happen. So this video isn't a tutorial, but more so to show you guys what we did. Ooh, that's what you want. I can't see it, so make sure it gets all in the hair. I'm using warm water, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of baking soda, and 3/4 cups of apple cider vinegar for this process. And I'm doing 2 rounds of this. The first round I'm going to sit for about 20 minutes, and the second round I'm going to do about 15 minutes. For the second round, we are still using warm water, but this time we're going to add the lemon juice and the baking soda in prior to me getting in. I'm only going to sit this time for about 15 minutes, and then we'll shampoo this hair until it's squeaky clean. Melinda is making sure to check each lock for any loose residue that either she can see or feel with her fingers. So here, once the water got really soapy, we decided to rinse and finish the rest of the shampooing over into the kitchen sink. We shampooed with the Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo 3 times, and then once with the Shimmer light shampoo to help brighten my grays. I already have a video showing you guys how I use these 2 products together to retwist my hair, and I'll link it here in the card section as well as in the description box if you would like to reference that video for later. My roots are a matted mess and my hair feels a little dry, but my locks seem fluffier. So I'm going to do my regular retwisting routine and I'll be back. Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comments section. Have you ever tried an ACV rinse on your locks? And what steps do you do differently for your process? Knowledge is power, so let's share with one another down below. See you in my next video. Until next time, you guys. Bye-bye.